When you're entering data into Excel, speed counts for a lot. In this quick tip video, I'll show you how to change the direction the cursor moves in Excel when you hit the Enter key. Whether you're entering data down or across, you're going to want to have your cursor enter the next cell whenever you hit the Enter key so that the correct cell is selected for your next entry. Sure, you could use the arrow keys, but for most of us, Enter is more natural. To change the cursor direction, go to File, Options at the bottom, Advanced on the left. And there it is, a checkbox that says after pressing Enter, move selection, with a drop-down for choosing the direction. Down, right, up, or left. Make sure the checkbox is checked, then choose the direction your cursor should move when you press Enter. For example, if you're filling information into a column, you'd probably want your cursor to go down each time you press Enter. If you're filling information into a row, you'll want Enter to move your cursor to the right. Once you click OK, you'll see that your cursor is moving in the direction you chose. Happy data entry!